Welcome to the Thin Within podcast, the show for women who want mental secrets for weight loss mastery. I'm your host, Marna Thall. I'm the owner of thinwithin.com, and I'm here to give you the inside scoop on how to lose weight by mastering your inner game. Diets never worked for me long term, and if you're like 95% of the rest of the human race, they haven't worked long term for you either. Every week, I'll give you tools, techniques, and resources you need to actually succeed in using the power of your mind to lose weight. I can't wait to teach you another mental secret, so let's dive right in.
There are two little words that almost always keep my clients from being successful, and they might be keeping you from being successful too. You know what they are? They're the words, I can't. These two little words will almost always keep you from having the weight loss, the body that you really want. So if you are telling yourself, I can't stick to a diet, I can't honor my body, I can't stop overeating, I can't get in front of my late night eating, then you've got to replace these words with I can. Every time you tell yourself that you can't do something, what you're doing is you're cementing this truth in your brain. And both your conscious and subconscious mind start to work on the fact that you can't lose weight, that it's difficult and that it's hard. By saying, I can't stick to this, you unconsciously make sure that this statement's correct. And how many times are you unconsciously replaying I can't in your mind? Well, hopefully you'll start becoming aware of all those times that you are telling yourself I can't, or a version of that, like it's hard, or I don't want to, or it's difficult. And whatever version of I can't that you're telling yourself, and as Linda Spangle in her book, 100 Days of Weight Loss says, it's like tying a huge rock to your ankle and then trying to run. Do you see that? Do you see by carrying around this I can't with you? It's like a huge rock being tied to your ankle and then trying to run really fast. No matter how determined you are to reach those goals, the words I can't, those statements will always keep you from making progress because it's weighing you down both consciously and unconsciously. So, today, what I want you to do is I want you to start moving away from the words I can't and start getting into solution oriented thinking. Solution oriented thinking is something that I talk to my clients a lot. We talk about it in the inner circle. I talk to my private coaching clients about it. It's imperative that you start using solution oriented thinking in your journey to lose weight because it will make your weight loss so much easier. Instead of carrying that rock around with you or that heaviness around with you, if you believe you can always figure out a strategy, you can always find a solution, and you can always find something that will be workable in any circumstance, then what happens is you move from I can't or the impossibility in your life to the possibility and solution that you can take on. Linda also recommends using the phrase, maybe I could, or I'll find a way, or it's hard but not impossible, so I will find a way. You have lots of different options, but when you tell yourself, I can't, you're telling yourself that you, in essence, are not willing to try. So, what I want you to do is start paying attention to the times that you tell yourself, I can't. I can't do this. I can't make this happen. I can't lose weight. I can't slim down. I can't succeed. I won't succeed. And I want you to start replacing those can'ts with how can I? Or maybe I could. Or I'll find a way. And several times today, I want you to tell yourself that you can figure this out, that there is a new possibility, that you can find a way. For each time you tell yourself, I can't, I want you to replace it 3 times by saying something positive. I can make this happen. I will make this happen. I'm in the possibility of creating a new way of being. I'm absolutely moving my life and my energy forward. I can make this happen easier today than I thought. I'm surprised how easy I can make this occur. And when you get rid of I can't, then you will move away from that I can't statement that only keeps you stuck, that only keeps you frustrated, that never gets you the results you want, and keeps you from having the weight, the body, and the life that you want. So start getting rid of those I can't statements and begin replacing them with solution oriented thinking. My clients who have lost over 35 pounds and have kept it off for many decades have all gotten in the really good habit of being solution oriented in their thinking. And when they came to me for coaching, one of the things that I always like to make my clients do is say, how can you solve that? What is the solution? You're telling yourself you can't. Is that true? Maybe, just maybe you can. Tell me a different response. And what that does is it forces them to start thinking about a solution, a more positive attribute, a way to move through things instead of falling victim to I can't. So today I encourage you to stop telling yourself I can't and choose a phrase that will work so much better in your brain. So, if you want more strategies and solutions for helping you think thin, live thin, and change your weight, take my free course or take the Thin Within method, where I help you reprogram your mind to think, eat, and live in a brand new way from the inside out. Have an amazing, amazing day, everybody, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.